Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel SKV Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set schedule free up space automatically via storage sense in Windows 10 hard drive. If your PC hard disk is filled with unnecessary files, it could slow down your PC, so cleaning it out can give you a speed boost. Windows 10 has a surprisingly useful built-in tool for doing this called storage sense. When you turn it on, Windows constantly monitors your PC and delete obsolete temporary files, old recycle bin files, and old junk files you no longer need. That is what we are going to do, so watch the video and subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's start. To do that, open the Windows settings by pressing Windows logo key plus I. In the settings page, click on System, and then in the left pane select Storage, and then go to right pane. In the storage management area, turn on storage sense toggle switch like this, turn it on. When you do this, Windows constantly monitors your PC and deletes automatically old junk files and temporary files you no longer need. And also you can customize how storage sense works and also use it to free up even more space than it normally would. To do that, under storage sense, click on the link configure storage sense or run it now. Click on it, then you will see a page configure storage sense or run it now. Now you can change schedule how often storage sense deletes file every day, every week, every month, or during low free disk space. Click on the run storage sense option and then select the time period after which you want the storage sense to run periodically, every day, every week, every month, or during low free disk space. You can select the preferred days, the interval as you like. Here, select it during low free disk space by default. This storage sense configure will run automatically, perform cleanup when disk space is low. Okay. Next, make sure the checkbox selected next to the delete temporary files that my application aren't using. Select it, and then next, similarly choose a suitable time for the delete files in my recycle bin if they have been there for over. Option every day, every week, every month, or 60 days. Here already selected 30 days by default like this. You can select the preferred days intervals as you wish. Finally, choose a suitable time for the delete files in my downloads folder if they have not been opened for more than. Option like this, never, every day, every week, every month, or 60 days. You can select the preferred days intervals as you like. Here already selected never by default. Once it's done, storage sense is now active and this will run according to the time period set by you. Okay, that's all. Now if you want to run free up disk space, click on the clean up option under free up space now. Click on it. Now Windows automatically will be clean up obsolete temporary files, old recycle bin files, and old junk files you no longer need. Windows will take a few minutes for cleaning process. Wait for a while. Once it's done, storage sense will display how much space is freed on the hard disk at the bottom line. Once it's done, Windows will run smoothly. That's it.
I hope this video helps you. Thanks for watching and supporting. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Your contribution is more confidence to us. If you have any issues, so please let me know in the comment section below. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more useful videos. Once again, thanks for watching and supporting. See you in next video. Bye. Take care.